Hello guys! Hi! It's me, Aubrey. I want to explain to you how to make a passport for this week. This is your project for this week. I have seen some of your inventors' projects so far and they look so good. So soon you will be going to your classmates' projects and seeing their inventors and their inventions. So in order to travel to these new places, I think we need to make a passport. So here is my passport that I have for travel. It's from the United States. At the very beginning, you can see it has information about me so that when I show it, people know who I am. And then when I go places, I get different stamps on the pages that show where I have been. So we want to make something similar to use with your projects. Ta-da! So we're going to make a passport out of some paper today. So this passport is decorated however you want. Of course, some information about you on the front page. And then we'll have the rest of the pages available for when you travel to see the other inventors and their inventions. All right, so we'll make this right now today. All you need is a piece of white paper. And I also have a piece of color paper for the cover. If you don't have color paper, just use 2 white papers and then just color the front and you'll have colored paper. So I want to make this white paper into 2. So I'll fold it in half and cut. I'm just wanting to get a half size. Ta-da! So now all of my papers are the same size. I'm going to stack them together and fold them in half. I want my colored paper on the outside because it is my cover. Ta-da! All right, now to make sure that the pages don't fall out, I'm going to use a stapler. If you have a big, longer stapler, you can staple right on the crease here in the middle. My stapler is too short, so if that is also your case, you can staple on the outside. It's no problem. We're going to do 2 or 3 staples right along the edge so it's nice and secure. And ta-da, we have a booklet. On the front, you want to write passport, very official. You can decorate however you would like. I'll leave that up to your imagination. Put some decoration on here. What's really important though is the information that goes in the front page. So right here, and we're going to rotate our passport to go long ways like this. All right, fold back my cover. Now, what goes in the front page of a passport? A lot of things and a lot of words, but we're not going to put that much stuff into our passports. Let me show you what I want to do. I want us to have a picture of ourselves. You need a picture. You can draw it, or if you have a little Carnet photo, you could use that too. We need a passport number that is unique to you, and you can use any number that you want. Just create it in your head. I'm going to put my name, of course, my birthday, location where I was born, and then an expiration date. Expires means the day when this passport is no good anymore, and you have to get a new passport. So we are going to put an expiration date on our passports as well. So why don't you go ahead and come with me to do this. Grab a marker. I'm going to make a square up in the top corner here. I already drew my picture. Look, it's me. You know I'm very good at drawing, so here is obviously me. You can draw you in your picture here. The first number I'm going to put is any number that we invent. So, I don't know, 1, 4, 7, 200, 8, 9. It doesn't matter. You just need a number to make it official. And then you're going to write your name, first and last if you would like. The next information we need is our birthday. So my birthday is the 18th of April. You can put the year if you'd like. I would rather not disclose that information. The next line of information is where were you born? What is the location of your birth? So I was born in the USA. Maybe you were born in Madrid. Maybe you were born in Sevilla. It doesn't matter. Wherever you were born, write that location here. And the last thing that we need, remember, is the expiration date. So I'm going to write expires. That's when it is no good anymore. And I want to write a day in the future. So maybe I will write, let's see, what did I put? June 2050. That way I have many years to use this passport. All right, so you have your picture, your number, your name, birthday, where were you born, and when is this passport expired. As soon as you have that information all finished, next week we are going to watch our classmates' videos and put information on these pages. So for this week, all you have to do is make a beautiful passport, decorate it however you want. Get all of your information on this page, make a really nice picture of yourself. And once this is finished, you are ready for next week when we share our presentations together. All right, so if you have any questions, shoot Elena an email and she will forward the questions to me. And if not, I hope this goes well for you, and I am so excited to see all of your inventor projects. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.